In today's video, I'm about to show you how to use Hailuo AI text to video option. So you can see we are currently onto the dashboard of Hailuo, and we can see a couple of options. Right in the center we have our prompt box, and this could be used directly for text to video. So let's just say I want to generate a warrior in black fur cloak faces a massive dragon. Then it is going to be generating video based on that. You can click on create video and your video is going to be generated. You can see it is going to be requiring 25 credits, and once it does, it is also using this reference image, and the results are going to be super amazing. So that's how it works. Or if you want to simply generate your image text to video directly without any references, then you can use this option, enter in here the prompt, and once you do, make sure to select your model, which is the latest Hailuo 2, and then you have your resolution, time, and duration. So that's how you can easily generate using Hailuo AI text to video. Thank you so much for watching.